You can expect a lot from the 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche. This four-door, five-passenger truck has just over 90,000 miles. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include power front seats, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, a tonneau cover, and power windows. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as brake assist, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Call now to schedule a test drive.